you see the impressions. You can see the engagement. They call it engagement, not clicks anymore. And you can see what's working. Uh, for us, I mean, if we see 1%, we're kind of doing the happy dance. Yeah, I've heard people getting 3%, but we're usually anywhere from 1% to 0.03, but we're still getting that external traffic coming over and over and over and over. If you have if you're selling plastic shoe stretchers and your search volume is 3,000 a month and your price point is at $7.99, I wouldn't recommend spending time and effort doing this. You can, I mean, let's say you're building up an Instagram following for plastic shoe stretchers. Well, I mean, if it works, okay, fine. I wouldn't spend the money on that. If you're selling some dog treat or some kitchen utensils or something for the outdoors, and I tell you, right now with everything that's going on, I would be building up my travel. So I get those influencers now to take the pictures with your travel pillows and your travel this and your travel that. Get them to the point where you've got tons of content, and when people are traveling again or people want to go back outside and do everything, then you've got everything in line. I mean, it's part of your content marketing strategy.